Hi everyone, welcome to BetterLearn. Today I'm giving you a complete overview of our innovative e-learning platform BetterLearn. Whether you are a student or an educator, this platform is designed to make learning and teaching smarter and easier. Let's start. I have already mentioned my mail ID and password here, so let's sign in first. After logging in, you will see a clean and easy to use dashboard that makes it simple to explore your learning journey. This is our homepage, and right here you will see three main options on the side panel: My Courses, AI Tutors, Homework Helper. Each one is designed to help you manage your coursework and get the support whenever you need it. My Courses is not available right now, but in future we definitely have this feature. In this feature, you will get a quick access to all the courses that you will enrolled, and making it easy for you to stay organized. Then we have AI Tutor, so it's your personalized learning assistant, always available for you 24 into 7, and help you to grasp difficult concepts anytime you need it. Then we have a homework helper, so it's a perfect when you need a little extra guidance to get through your assignments. We have more exciting features, like we have study streak, so this shows that how consistent you have been with your learnings. It's a great way to stay motivated, and you can also be able to set goals to stay on a track and focused. Plus, there are some fun bonuses to unlock, like new avatar frames, special themes, premium badges we have. You can also unlock more bonuses by achieving the targets. Let's moving down. Here you can see that we have many AI tutors available for different subjects, and these are available 24 into 7. Then you can see your course progress here. As I have already told you that this feature is not available right now, but in future, when we have this feature, you will see your course progress here. You can keep a track that how far you have come in this course. Scrolling down, we have one more option of the achievement. So whenever you will be able to achieve any target or goal, you will get these achievements. Like you can see that when you complete 3 lessons in one day, you will get the quick learner achievement, and like this you will be able to unlock more achievements by achieving different targets or goals. So this is all about our home page. So let's move to its main features. First one, we have a homework helper. So this feature provides step-by-step solution, explanation, and example to guide you through your homework assignments. You just need to upload the image of the question here, and in a few seconds, you will get a clear answer and explanation of that question. It's like having a tutor available whenever you need it. So this is about our homework helper feature. Next, we have AI tutors. So these tutors provide personalized lessons and explain concepts in a simple terms, and even answer your questions just like a real teacher. So as you can see that we have different AI tutors available for different subjects. So like maths, we have Miss Numbers. We have a different AI tutor for science, and we have a different AI tutor for English like Miss Story. So like this, we have different AI tutors available on a single platform to help you whenever you need it. Let's move to our next feature, AI tools. So this section offer advanced resources to help the students, such as concept clarity tools and productivity boosters. So these tools can help summarize notes, help in research, and making study faster and easier. So as you can see that we have 41 tools available on a single platform for students. You can see that we have different AI tools available for different concepts. Like for content creation, we have different tools available. Like you can see that we have content creator tool, image generator tool, and for ideas and inspiration, we have different AI tools available, like prompt assistant, make it relevant, idea generator tool. So we have different AI tools available for different concepts. So this is all about the AI tools. Next, we have achievement. So when you get any achievement, you will be able to see here. When you achieve any small targets, you will unlock these achievements. Like when you solve 50 problems with AI tutors, you will get the Maths Wizard achievement, and like this we have more achievements to unlock. So this is all about the achievements part. Whenever you want to save any responses, you can see here your saved responses. This is all about our student portal. So thanks for checking out BetterLearn. To get started today, don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. For more videos, you have to stay tuned. Hello and welcome to the BetterLearn. Today we are diving into the educators portal on our e-learning platform. So if you are an educator and looking to enhance your teachings and want to save more time, this video is for you. So let's start. All right. So first I'm logging into the educators portal. Once you are in, you will land on the home page where you will see all the powerful AI tools available for you. So here we have AI teaching tools. So that are all designed to assist you in creating engaging lessons and materials for your student. So first one, we have a smart quiz generator. So you can generate customized quiz with the help of AI, and it is perfect for assessing the student progress. Next, we have a lesson planner. So it helps you to create detailed lesson plans, ensures that each class is structured and impactful. Then we have a content writer. So this tool assists you in generating educational content, making it easier to prepare lectures, assignments, or learning resources. Next, we have Geography Explorer. So with this, you can explore geographical features and regions. So this is all about the AI teaching tools. In addition to these core tools, there are also a quick access to a few essential tools that can save your time. First one, we have Evaluate AI. So this helps to grade papers quickly and efficiently. Then we have Email Responder. So it suggests smart email responses to streamline your communication with student. Next, we have a text translator. So this allows you to translate content into a multi-grade for students from the linguistic background. So right here, you can also quickly view and manage your schedule for the day. So keeping track on the upcoming task and deadlines. You can also keep a track of how many students are enrolled in each subject, helping you to manage your classes more effectively. So this is all about our homepage. So let's take a deeper look at some key features of this platform. So just like student portal, we also have a feature of AI tools on this portal as well. So as you can see, we have 108 tools available on this platform, and each tool is available for different aspects. This is all about our AI tools available that helps you to enhance your teachings. So let's move to its next features. Evaluate AI. With this tool, you can create AI powered evaluations for your student. All you need to just do is click on the create evaluator. So here you just have to mention the evaluation title and the class and section. Then you have to mention a due date, and you just need to upload a question and answer key here. And after all the setup in this evaluator, you just need to upload all the bulk paper here, and in a few seconds the system grades them for you, and you can also view detailed analytics here, and plus you can also export the reports. So this platform is basically helps you to manage and helping you to grade your students. And here you can see that this platform even keeps a track of your overall performance with a performance overview. So this is all about the Evaluate AI. And next, we have another helpful tool, which is Teaching Assistant. So you can ask any question here, and in a few minutes, you will get an answer in a very clear and understanding way. So it's like having a virtual assistant to help you with anything you need in your teaching journeys. Before we wrap up, let me tell you about our upcoming features. First one, we have a presentation maker. So this helps you to generate the PowerPoint presentations. And next we have a assignment manager. This feature manages all the assignments more easily. So this is all about our educators platform. So that's a quick overview of our educators portal on Better Learn. So I hope this gives you a better understanding of how AI tools can help you with more productive and organized. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video.